Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install a Python IDE. There are many options out there, free and paid, and I'm going to go through both to show you the best IDE to get. So let's get into the video. So what you want to do is open Google or any search browser actually that you want to use, and then you can just type PyCharm. Now I'm going to show you one IDE which is the best industry standard IDE there is to use. So there's actually here download PyCharm, and it's got professional and community. Now here you can see where it says professional, full-featured IDE for Python and web development, and here's community, lightweight IDE for Python and scientific development. Community is free and open source, so if you're starting out in Python you can use that. Even if you're relatively well versed in Python you can use that. And professional you can download. You have a 1 week free trial, I think it is, and here you can actually see how much it is to buy. PyCharm 149 for the first year, 119 for the second year, and 89 for the third year onwards. So I wouldn't advise that if you're just starting, and of course the community edition is completely free, and I've got that one. Now there are many other different Python IDEs, so let me just do a quick search here and show you all of them. So there's PyCharm, PyDev, Wing IDE, IDE, Spider, Atom, Komodo Edit, all of these, there are loads. Now if you don't want to use PyCharm for some reason, I would recommend out of all of these you'd use Atom. Atom is a very good one, so I'll open that in the new tab, and that's the main one that I think is the best here. And another one is you can use any online Python IDEs. Now obviously you won't get as many good features, but they're very good to start learning with. One I've actually used is called REPL.it, or REPLit as I like to call it, and you can do many languages, not just Python. So as you can see, Ruby, HTML, C#, Java, Forth, Bloop, JavaScript, all of these all the way down. And yeah, here's your programming. So all you need to do is sign up. Again, it's just free. You just need username, email, password, and that's it. So I'll close that for now. Atom is a text editor, and it's on GitHub, and it's completely free. It's a hackable text editor. Again, it's very simple to use, so that should be fine. Here you can see a few more, such as Sublime Text, that kind of thing, brackets as well, Notepad++, those kinds of things. Eclipse is a good one too, but again, I don't really like it. It feels a bit more complicated to me, so I'd rather not use it. There's NetBeans. There are loads of IDEs you can use. You can just try them all and take your pick, but I just really like PyCharm just because of how simple it is and easy it is to use. So I'm going to open PyCharm now and just show you how to use it. So I'm going to create a new project. I've got all these projects from before. I'm going to click create new project. I'm going to name this test for video, and I'll click create. Make this bigger. Okay, this is just how simple it is. So I'm going to click on this and 2-finger click on Mac, and I assume right click on all the others. New Python file, and I'm going to name this test. Okay, and that's just how simple it is to get started. And I'm obviously going to do the programmer's tradition and do a hello world, and then I'm going to click run, then run again, then test, and as you can see in the bottom right it says hello world. So that was a video on how to install Python IDE and how to get started creating a project. So if you like the video, make sure you leave a like and subscribe. Go check out Instagram and Twitter down below. And until the next video, bye.